Hello and welcome to this JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to generate all possible combinations, also known as the power set, of a given array of numbers. This concept is widely used in combinatorics and can be applied to solve problems involving subsets, permutations, and combinations. We'll use modern JavaScript methods like reduce, map, to implement this solution efficiently. Let's dive right in. The goal is to generate all combinations of numbers in an array, which includes subsets of all the sizes, from the empty set to the set containing all the elements. For example, if the array is 1 and 2, the output will include the empty set, single element sets such as 1 and 2, and a set containing both elements, 1 and 2. This is known as the power set of an array. This is the code to generate the power set. We start with the empty set. We then use the reduce method to iterate over each element in the input array. For each element, we use map to append it to every existing subset in the accumulated result. We then concatenate these new subsets with the accumulated result to generate the updated power set. The function is both concise and efficient, leveraging modern JavaScript array methods. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how the function works. First, we start with an initial power set containing just the empty array. We then loop through each number in the array using the reduce method. For every existing subset, we create a new subset by adding the current number. Then we combine these new subsets with the existing power set to update it. After all elements are processed, we return the complete power set. Let's analyze some examples. For the array of 1, 2, the function generates subsets step by step, resulting in nothing, 1, 2, and 2 and 1. For the array of 1, 2, and 3, the process continues similarly to generating subsets for the 3 elements. Generating the power set has numerous real-world applications. It is the fundamental concept in combinatorics for solving problems involving subsets, combinations, or permutations. In data analysis, it helps us to group or segment data in various ways. It is useful in problem solving and optimization scenarios, where all possibilities need to be explored. It can also be used to generate test cases for software testing based on input subsets. In summary, this program demonstrates how to generate all possible combinations of numbers in an array using modern JavaScript techniques such as reduce and map. The power set is an essential concept in programming and mathematics, with applications across various domains. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.